Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the head of International Department of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. You're about to watch our screencast about how to obtain a highly qualified specialist visa up to 3 years through opening your own company in Russia. Let's go. Okay, highly qualified specialist status. Um, it's a work visa. This long-term visa is for those who want to come and live and work in Russia with the possibility of bringing family members, which is very important. So we have real, advantages of this kind of work visa. So first of all, it's issued up to 3 years. So it's kind of convenient to receive a visa for 3 years, such a long period. This HQS visa can be extended without living in Russia, which is very, again, flexible and convenient. So you can also change your employer while you're here. You'll have this term of 30 days and get your new visa here in Russia without leaving the country. All right, let's go further. The HQS and family members can obtain a residence permit in Russia as well. So please note this information is very important. So the minimum salary of the HQS must not be less than 167,000 rubles per month. Also, the highly qualified specialist pays taxes at the rate of 13% of the salary. So you can check our calculations here so you would have a clearer picture about what's going on. So I want to highlight that this commercial offer is for those who would like to obtain the HQS visa through opening a company. So first, here at the stages of our work, our very first step would be a registration of legal entity in Russia. So we register a legal entity, you'll become a 100% owner of this company. But here's a very important aspect, and I just want to highlight it right now. The company director, this is the whole thing. So we cannot appoint you as a general director of the company right away because you don't have a work permit. Otherwise, you'll be fined up to 800,000 rubles. So we don't want you to get into this trouble. So that is why you can provide your Russian friend, who is well trusted, by the way. Or if you don't have this kind of person, we will provide you with a director for the required term. About within 6 or 7 months after you get your work permit, we can appoint you as a general director. So you'll become simultaneously a 100% owner and the general director of your company. All right, let's go further. Step number 2, obtaining accreditation. This is very important because to obtain this accreditation, to hire, to attract foreign citizens as employees, we need this accreditation issued for your company. The personal presence of the general director is required. So basically, the general director is the person who goes to the authority to have the interview in order to convince the Ministry of Internal Affairs that, yes, we need this person on this certain position. Let's go further. Then we need to submit documents to obtain a work permit and invitation itself. The Ministry of Internal Affairs approved this invitation within 21 working days. So this is the term which is stated in the law. So they have to do it, but of course, it may be delayed. So, okay. Fingers crossed that everything's okay. So you obtained your invitation. That means that you can make an appointment in the Russian consulate service in your home country in order to stamp your 3-year visa. All right, then we will meet you in Russia. So you'll arrive in Russia. After your arrival, please make a registration within 7 working days. And also you need to undergo the medical examination and fingerprints in Sakharov Migration Center within 30 days after your arrival. So yeah, please do that. We don't want you to pay the fine, which is 5,000 rubles. Also, if you need our service of getting the registration, we can also help you with it. You can find the information about it in the commercial offer as well. So yeah, finally, we'll get you the work permit in Sakharova, so we can officially work here. And last but not least, of course, we'll appoint you as a general director of your company. All right, here's the cost. Yeah, it's the approximate cost because there are a lot of different nuances that affect to this cost. But this is the this is the amount that you'll pay in order to get everything done, right? So the invoice for payment will be issued in dollars according to the exchange rate on the date of issuing the invoice itself. So here's the payment procedure. You can check it here. Also, when you'll be here in Russia, of course, you can pay us in rubles, so you don't need to convert it to dollars. These are the overhead costs, right? State fee, notary fees, so etc. etc. Also, your company must have digital signature, so you have all the costs here. No hidden costs. And yeah, of course, we have additional services, so you can use our company. We'll be glad to help you with this as well. So yeah, thank you so much for checking our screencast for the commercial offer of issuing the HQS visa for up to 3 years through opening a company. We'll be happy to help you and see you in Russia. Thank you for watching. I hope this screencast was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our social media, to our YouTube channel, Telegram. We post useful information on a daily basis there. Stay tuned with Braiden Consulting.